Graduates, inigugma ko, hiwala nun. Kayo na tanan, niya na, maupay ko na aga. Out, udto na. My warm congratulations to each and single one of you, Eastern Summer State University graduating class of 2025. Eastern Summer State University instructors, professors, parents, and family, be proud of yourselves as well, because without your guidance, today would not have been possible. Para pakita ang ating mga instructors, professors, parents. This is a great personal accomplishment and a milestone in your life, dear graduates. Today, your hard work, dedication, and determination have paid off. It may not have been easy to get where you are today, but the finish line means something else entirely, precisely because of those sacrifices. This is your success, and I am truly proud of all of you. Let's all give our big hands to the graduates. I always say that graduations mark the beginning of new chapter. You now stand at the threshold of adulthood, which means you now begin to take charge of your own life. As what with all things new, you may see this new stage as overwhelming and maybe fearsome. But I encourage you to see this as the start of an exciting journey for all of you. You now have the privilege to decide what is best for you and build a career that you want. You now have the opportunity to shape your own future. Believe in yourself. Sabi pa ni Congressman Sheen, believe in yourself and trust that you have the skills, the values, and knowledge to enter the workforce and to face the real world. You have prepared for this, and you are ready to see the world. I also encourage you to anchor yourself to a purpose. A clear purpose in life will guide your goals and everyday decisions. Kinahanglan atin kinabuhi may purpose. If you read the book, Purpose-Driven Life, you read it, it's so beautiful. Kinahanglan may purpose, may natong rason kung may ano na naupuli kita. May karason kung may ano ang kawiyag natin mabuhi. Hindi talagang makakabatong kung ano ating rason. And that is your purpose. Thrive more than survive. Life is never easy. You already know that. But with purpose, you will always be able to stay on your path, even when focus fades and inspiration flees. Meaning, your purpose will help you to stay focused, inspired, and resilient. A life led purpose is a life well lived, one that brings both personal success and fulfillment. Without purpose, without deep personal meaning attached to your lives, however, all your achievements may have been empty. Look to the whys of your life. Kay ano? Why you want to achieve things, why you want to be like this, why you want to go into politics, Why do you want to be a doctor? Why do you want to be a lawyer? Why? Why do you want to keep on moving forward? Kaya ano ang kapuyag mo nga, makadto ka Manila, makadto ka abroad. That is purpose. Why it all matters? Why do it matter? There and then, you will know that even when you have hit a wall, even when you have sucked all your strength, even when all resources have been exhausted, you will always have something indestructible that will float you back up to the surface because you have a purpose. Look to your parents, to your siblings, to your family, to your loved ones. Maybe they are the reason why you are still here, why you will keep on moving even forward, whatever breath you draw, whether easy or labor is sweet. Perfect example for me, I am the eldest in the family. We are 8 children in the family, and my father died at a very young age. He was 54 years old. Ako pala ang tangkos na namang pamilya. So my purpose, ang akong purpose, why I have to move forward, why I have to strive, because I still have 7 siblings na akong pamilya noon. I still have my mother, and akong mga kabugtuan, nangingiskwila pala. Congressman Sheen was just 8 years old. That's why I even forget myself. Usay nangangalimutan ko ang akong kalugalingon. Kay akong pirmi ginunungduman ang akong mga kamanghuran. They have to go to school, they have to finish their studies, they have to be well. And that was the purpose of my life, taking care of the family. And I tell you, dear graduates and my friends, always remember, in the end, it is your family. Tagi good, yung importansya to your family. Yes, we have friends, but bigakit na kulian, waray good na ulong, kulit ating pamilya. You love your family. Be with your family at all times. Not necessarily na mag-uro sa kumong balay, nag-uurong ka ng family, but remember, during the machine, ng Congressman Sheen kanina, ang una na tawag niya, pinag-aawag niya. Yan na, bisan niya nag-aawag, pero niya natawag ng mama. My mother is 87 years old. 87 lang niya. So, love your family. In my experience, in the end, pamilya lang hapon, it happened dinadala na. May you all achieve what you envision for yourself and build a better life for yourself and your families. And along the way, may you give back your communities and live a life you can be proud of. Ayaw naman yung nakalimutin kung tingnan kamudiin. You give back to your community where you come from. You give back to the municipality where you come from. You give back to the province. You give back to your country. To the family of the new graduates, I also congratulate you. I know the sacrifices you made and paid to get your children to this moment. Your children know that more than anybody else. Your hard work has given our youth a future. Congratulations to all your parents. As the mayor of this beautiful town of Kiwan, I also extend my deepest gratitude to the faculty and administration of Eastern Samar State University Kiwan campus, especially Sir Jared, being the campus administrator. Thank you for arming our youth with quality education, for giving them a fighting chance to succeed in life, and for continuing to nurture the future leaders of Eastern Samar and beyond. You are also doing God's work here. Itinbubuhat ninyo as siya gihapon. Itinbubuhat expect it makagalahon na Diyos sa atin. Once again, congratulations, Batch 2025. Keep making us proud. The future is yours. Go and claim it. Mabuhay ka mo tanan. Good luck. God bless you always. Be one.